Today we want to change this fuel pump because mine is really leaking. Okay, first take out this one. This tank, pull this up, put this one over here. This the side, slide it back, then this one. Watch out for the cables. And here the cables. And this one, put it over there. This on the side. Okay. The cable's already off. So need to take out these three screws. This over here. This one also. There goes this one. Alright. So off. So this one is this it. As you can see, this one, there's a leak. This is a crack on the top. So once I rub it up, you can see all the pressure is going up from there. So this one should be have a clip, but I already opened it up recently, so I already take off the clip inside. So and now we need to open this one, open the, make sure this one is stay away from the what you call the fuel. So now we're gonna start it up, and we want to bleed off all the pressures inside, around 30 psi inside. We don't want to get it all messed up. So now I want to start the engine and make sure all the fluid and the pressure is zero. Okay. Now we already just now we already start the engine, and then we wait until the engine stall. So now I'm guessing that this one supposedly there's no more pressure. As you can see, there's no more fuel coming out, and this one will be zero pressure inside. Alright, that's good. If not, there will be mess up here with all the fluid, with the fuel. Alright, so now we want to open this one. What I do need is a good screwdriver. Alright, now I got my screwdriver. So we need to, if it's hard, just use a hammer. Make sure there's on the top there's no fuel. We don't want to get any spark in there. We're gonna create light a fire. So now we already opened this one, seal on the top. So this should be easily going up with the pump as well. So I need to take off the sill. Okay. I'm not gonna use the old sill because I just bought a new one. But the pump here, I'm gonna gently pull it up. Okay. Alright, so this one, dismantle first, because it's quite adjusted in there. Alright, now it will go up. So this one is stuck with the hoses. Alright, good. So just pour the excessive oil in there. Back to the tank. Alright, that's good. That's really good talking. So this one is the OEM. This one the brand is top brand. Top brand. Right. So now we need to change a few things up. As you can see, this one supposed to be like this. It's the same thing. So we just use the new hoses. Make sure the hoses is installed. Try to fit it in at least. Alright, that's good. And this one, for this kind of fuel pump, I just bought another type of fuel pump, and then later I will share what's the type. But they didn't supply us the cap. And as for the original part from the Audi, they don't have any what you call it? It is plugged from below. And as for this one, they have a small hoses. I don't know what this hoses meant for, but yeah, I just bought this one around $10 for this small tiny cap. So this one will fit in right here. If not, once I install it, the fuel is going up here once we pressure up the tank. So this one, just make sure you install it and you click. Alright, so this one we take it off, this one also. So once we install this connection will be fitting inside here. Alright, so I'll take it off and I will install it back inside the tank. It's much more easier that way. Alright, so this I'll take it off. Alright, let's go. So this one will go inside here. Oops, save. Okay. Okay, like this. And this one, as I showed just now, this one should be installed. Make sure once you install it, make sure you hear the sound of click. click. Alright, mine's ready. Yeah, it's ready to click. So, and as for the other tools, this one, don't forget to install this one as well. Alright, make sure it's click as well. Alright, good. Alright, so now we want to install the pin, the spring, and okay, make sure the pin is there, and this one was the okay. Because I cannot see it, it's quite difficult there. Just pull it up a little bit so that I can install it straight. Okay, now it should be okay. I'm struggling with this one. Yes, there it goes in. This one also goes in there. Okay, I think this is fine. Oh shit. Yeah, possible. Oh shit. Forget to install this one. Pause it. Let's play again. Okay. Now we install the rubber, the seal as well. Rubber seal gaskets. Make sure this one goes in first on the side. If not, it won't fit in. Alright, now one is press it down, it will stay there. See, everything is fit in. Good. And we will install this one. Cover on the top. Okay, good. So this one, click it in, and then install this one. Until we hear the sound of click. Make sure everything is clean and dry, and we install this. Click again. Okay, now we already installed this one. Where's the got off. Don't forget the clip. The lock for this one, make sure you install it. Oh shit. Alright. Perfect and tight. So now we're gonna start the engine. Let's see how it goes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Supposedly that the fuel, once I click in, the fuel's, see, the fuel's up, good, and we try to start it up. Oh, before I'm forgotten. Once it's already pressurized, we need to check at the back whether there's a leak or not. Just check for any leaks. No, there's no leak. Everything's good. Okay, now we can start the engine up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good. There's no what you call the sensor for the fuel sensor. It's not going up, so I guess everything is already settled. So just only takes for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just do it yourself. If not, you're gonna pay for the labor. Maybe it will cost you $150 or $200. But that's it. So now I think I need to install it back. This one is all rubber. Still in good condition though. Maybe I will use it in the future later. And now everything goes in. And close it and close this up. So where's this? Install it 100% tight, because once everything is in place, then we will start tightening it up. Okay, good. So now we can install back the seat. Make sure the cable is also done. Make sure you install it back. Okay. Now we put that seat back in. Okay, now there's a pin at the back, so make sure the pin is in place, so then we can start to install back all this stud. Cheers.